In this video, I shared to you my frustrating experience with Apple's customer service here in Asia Pacific. Welcome back to Tea on Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. After receiving an iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I unboxed last time, with deep scratches on its screen out of the box. This experience led me to question the company's commitment to high product and service quality, and actually it's prompting me to consider other alternative tech options. For the first time since 2009, a cosmetic defect marred my online purchase from Apple. To assist others facing similar issues, I have outlined a step-by-step guide for replacement or refund. First, contact Apple Support through their Apple Support app in your iPhone or via the web browser. From here, request for your case number, immediately request for a callback. Detail the case to support and request a replacement or refund. This initiates the buyer's remorse process. And then contact between the sales team where you bought your phone and also the online tech support. And that should easily give you a resolution to your case. I got through a very horrible experience. First option was an Apple tech support asked me to brought it to the local service center to have the screen replaced. Unfortunately, when I went to Power Max Center in Rockwell in Makati, they did not receive my phone because they didn't have the spare parts yet. This could have been told to me by the Apple tech support over the phone instead of me going to Power Max Center only to be informed that it cannot be serviced at that moment. Option 2 was, this one is the most unbelievable one. They requested me to bring back the cell phone to Hong Kong. Remember in my unboxing, I bought it from Hong Kong and shipped it to the Philippines via buy and ship. Actually, in the past, when you bought a product from Apple online, they will be the one to arrange for a pickup. It actually defeats the purpose of me buying it online through the Apple Store Hong Kong website if I had to bring the phone back to them physically. In option 3, I was offered a product discount instead, and they will credit it to me through my credit card. Painstaking experience continued because it took 15 days involving multiple calls, tech support, and online sales team calls. That's why I kept on thinking, what happened to this trillion-dollar company to actually give me a very horrible customer service experience? With this, I'm actually considering looking for a tech alternative. Maybe that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is something that I would replace my iPhone immediately. Let's see. And with the recent news about Apple's patent infringement, some quality defects on the iPhone 15, security and privacy issue on text messaging because they're not adopting RCS, although in the recent news they are now, how easy it is to steal your iPhone's data with just your passcode, some iPhone 15 battery issues, and also the iPhone getting very hot because its titanium case is not sufficient to dissipate the heat. The issue on Foxconn workers during the height of the pandemic. Actually, the list goes on and on. Anyways, let's see. I hope to see you in the next video. I'd probably be taking you to my transition from the Apple ecosystem to another tech ecosystem, or maybe not an ecosystem at all. So watch out for that. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next clip. Bye!